Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I am going to guide you through how you can turn off read receipts on BIP. So, let's get started. Firstly, open BIP app in your device, then tap on More. Next, tap on Settings. Then you can see the option of chat settings, tap on it. After that, you can see the option of read receipts, turn off it by tapping on it. So, this is how you can turn off read receipts on BIP. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.